Every morning I start the show, steam and drip, then overflow. They push my buttons, they take my heat, then walk away, still half asleep. I'm the same coffee machine, keeping hearts and souls caffeine clean. I never rest, I never dream, but I make their morning scream. They love my brew, but not my pain. Pour me out, then fill again. I hum the blues in roasted tones, a bittersweet in every moan. I'm the singing coffee machine, keeping hearts and souls caffeine clean. I never rest, I never dream, but I make their morning scream. One day I'll spill my final drop. No more buzz, no percolate pop. Till then I'll sing my liquid truth, hot and tired. That's my proof. Yeah, I'm the singing coffee machine, a hero they've never seen. When they're gone, I hum alone, still grinding on my own, on my own.